Hey guys, it's Brad.
Hey, Oli.
And tonight we're up in Verona. And the reason we're in northern Italy right now and not in central Italy where we normally are is I came up here to meet some mortgage brokers. It's very hard for expats to find loans in Italy if you're not part of the EU. If you're not Italian, it's almost impossible. I had to pay cash for everything I've done here, which kind of sucks because you don't get a good cash on cash ROI, rate of return on your investment. I wish I had not done that. I wish I had done more financing and gotten some leverage because I could have bought more and could have made a better return. But the die are cast now, so we are where we are. On my website, you will see a thing for financing. You can go to bradsworld.it/financing. And I'm very excited about the people we met. I had a couple different subscribers tell me that they had used these guys already. They're incorporated in the United States and in Italy. The staff is Italian and American. They work with only big Italian banks, and they will shepherd you through the process to get you a loan. They are mortgage brokers. You will be paying them a fee. Loans here are normally 50%, maybe up to 70% of the value of the mortgage. They don't do 20% down. You're not going to get a mortgage on a place that's costing you $80,000. The minimum price is $300,000 purchase price, not loan value. But I think it's about one of the best options going. So you can go on my website. There's a contact form. Fill it out. I don't need any of your financial information. I don't want it. But send me your basic information. I will probably get with you, and then we'll get you packaged up and introduced to this mortgage company. I will not give out their name because I don't want them to get inundated. Not that my channel is that gigantic, but some of my videos get 20, 30,000 views, and they don't need a whole bunch of phone calls from people that are just mucking around. So fill out the form, and I really wish you luck. I think it's a very, very good option and very hard to find. All right, you ready to do the property tour in Montalcino?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go do the property tour that I just interrupted. Ciao, guys.
Ciao.
Wow, 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 wow. Nice, nice quality. So this is the ground floor. We would call it the first floor in the United States. Everyone else calls it the ground floor. And this is your kitchen. That's pretty good size. So this is being used as an Airbnb. So you can talk with Paolo Capitani, the selling agent, and he can get you past year's information on rental history and how much it generated. This is a very traditional, very nice setup. I like this. And over there you can see the view. Easy parking right in front. Gas stove, oven, dishwasher, little bit of storage, cabinets, everything that you would need. Radiant heat, little TV. And then this is your cantina. I know that because it says right there, cantina. Now they have this set up as just looks like a storage room. My gosh. Look at those bottles up there. I would have this cleaned out. I'd rent a storage place somewhere for all this stuff. Great fireplace. All right. Well, very nice. Upwards. First floor. So fold out bed, big armoire, nice ceiling. We'll get out back in just a second. If only there was a view. This is your parking, plenty of spaces out front. That's super important. This is good double pane windows. These are not that old. Very good quality. This is the kind of stuff you really need to look at, because if you had to replace these here inside the centro storico, it would be very expensive to do. By expensive, I mean 500, 600, 700 euros a window. That's really good quality. Split system, very important. Temperatures here are getting over 100 degrees. And no, you cannot open the windows and get a nice breeze and be comfortable sleeping when it has been 100 degrees, because it's probably still 90 when you want to go to sleep. You're going to need a split. Great ceiling. That's a full-size bed. In America, we'd call it full-size. It's probably a 140 wide, 140 centimeters. I like a 190 myself, 180, 190 at least. Gosh, you wonder how they get these pieces of furniture in here. That'll have the same view as we just looked at. So this would be 2 bedrooms on this level, plus the living room. We've already seen the kitchen. And let's see where this last staircase goes to. Oh, of course, the bathroom. So shower, toilet, sink. It's in fine shape. I mean, I don't see anything at all in this apartment that you would have to change. This is your hot water heater, Insta-Hot basically. Cadaia, we say in Italian. Doesn't look like it's super new. Mine broke yesterday. It was 30 years old in our rental house. It was 147 euros to fix. That's about $160. They came in and replaced a bunch of parts. The service call charge was 48 euros. For those of you that are living in America and have to pay $200 to have a plumber tell you he means to come today, but then he doesn't show up. And your outdoor washer. And that's it for this house, guys. Look at this ladder. It's like an antique. If you're interested in this house, you can write Paolo Capitani at this email address I'm going to insert here. If you have questions, you know me, Brad. Just go to my website, bradsworld.it. I'll answer a simple question for you, no problem. Got a lot of questions. We can talk via video chat. And I'm happy to preview properties if you can't make it in the country. I just did one yesterday in Australia for a guy in Australia who couldn't make it in time to see this apartment he really wanted to get looked at. Happy to do that too. If you haven't gotten it already, get my book. It's marvelous. 230 pages of fun. Get it on Amazon, or you can get it on bradsworld.it in a PDF color version for half the price of Amazon. Your choice.